Hello friends, welcome back to my channel after long days. It was a long gap. I couldn't upload any videos due to my busy schedule. So today I'm traveling to Guwahati with a very special purpose. So today I'm very much excited to travel with this very special purpose. Friends, if you want to know my special purpose, then please keep watching this video till the end. You will know it. Wow, what a beautiful view. Everywhere green mountain. We have reached Saraighat Bridge over the Brahmaputra River. So friends, finally we have reached Guwahati. This place is called Jalukbari and we are almost to reach the place where we are traveling. So the name of this place is Gorsuk. It is only 5 km far away from here. And then I will let you know the main purpose why I'm coming here today. Good morning friends. Today I'm coming in Guwahati. I'm coming at Maruti Suzuki Nexa car dealer to buy a new car, and the name of the car is Baleno Zeta. So today I'm going to buy it, and now the official work is going on, so it will be completed very soon, and after that I'm going to show you the car which I'm going to buy today. So keep watching friends. So friends, finally this is my new car. The name of this car is Baleno Zeta. So friends, this is the new car which I'm going to buy today. The name of this car is Baleno Zeta. So here it looks like that. The car Baleno Zeta comes in different colors like red, white, blue, silver, etc. So I have chosen the red color Baleno Zeta. And the Baleno car has 4 variants. These 4 variants are Sigma, Delta, Zeta, and Alpha. Among all these variants, I have chosen the Baleno Zeta. The Zeta is the second top of the Baleno car. Now let us look inside the car. You can see here the power steering, and the sound system comes with screen touch. Now I am busy taking a photo with my new car. This is an engine of this car, so everything is fine after checking it. Finally, I am the owner of this car. So today I'm very much excited, and also I'm very much proud of myself to be the owner of this car. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care.